Go spit up.
What does she say? She's so funny. I think she said she wants me to feed her.
Oh, okay. You want to grab the bottle?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now you want to try to put it in her mouth?
Open. Open.
See, babies don't even know how to open their own mouths. All right, you ready? Let's do it together. Okay?
But we don't want to hurt her.
No, definitely not. Yeah, see, she doesn't always know. You want to hold it? Hold the bottle? Good job.
Is she eating?
She is.
All done?
Yes, you are. You're very good at being careful. Well, she might not be done yet.
Is she?
You know what we have to do after we feed her?
What?
We have to help her burp. Isn't that funny? Babies can't even burp on their own.
I can.
I know you can. I've heard it.
See what? Oh.
Good one. All right, let's see if Cassie can give you a burp.